Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install the flagship camera from Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and I will review useful new features, starting with an overview of the new features. New camera icon with red dot on desktop after update. New mode selection interface at the bottom, red highlight dot. In the camera settings, the new interface is also highlighted in red. This update adds 4 new filters: Leica Viv, Leica Net, Leica BW Net, Leica BW HC. New interface in mode More. Vlog, short video, panorama, time-lapse, slow-mo, and etc. And add new function setting watermark, Leica watermark. New feature and new camera widget are added to the desktop. Widget Leica filter and Pro lens widget. Okay, now I will show you how to install the update on your phone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. This version is compatible with MIUI 13. MIUI 12.5 won't work. Install it from the APK file. You can download it in my Telegram channel Techno. I will leave the link in the info box. After installation, we can check. If you decide to return the old version of the camera, clamp and hold on the camera, select App Info, select Uninstall Update and return the old version of the camera. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.